Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I made this video for subject matter assignments media development in English teaching. Today I will present about what do teaching offline. Face-to-face learning is a learning process carried out directly face-to-face between students and teachers at school. Smart teachers can evaluate and start designing a face-to-face learning meeting strategy that might be done fully or 100%. Face-to-face learning preparation is very important so that smart teachers have a guide to carry out learning in the school year later. What preparation should be done? The first, choose the right learning method. Second, learning preparation. Third, design learning media. Fourth, assignment design. Five, creating a pleasant learning atmosphere. The last is make the scope clear and firm. And then next, what do teaching online? The COVID-19 pandemic has forced most educational institutions and training organizations to use online classes. To make adjustments, institutions have invited educators to use technology such as Zoom or collaborate Blackboard. And then many schools, the university facilitated their teachers, lecturers, and professors to take lightning course for 1 week to switch to online model learning. And then unfortunately, such a practice greatly limits the amount of learning that occurs during these classes taking place. Teaching online, like asking people who know how to drive or fly planes, and then educators need additional skills and beliefs to teach in moldering, and then allowing the implementation of learning process. Next, the key to getting involved and learning in a mode of online with the increasing number of institutions is encouraged to practice online learning because of the social distance. The skills and new teaching methods are needed to make the learning process occur. We can no longer do the same as in face-to-face modes, and then here are some of the best practice products from the 19 years of the implementation of education with modes of daring collection of descriptions of several world-leading instructors in online bare mechanism institutions, also the research of GR. And then next, Ted San's doctoral studies, an expert in the field of education and organizational psychology. The presentation must last for 18 minutes or less. The second, create meaningful learning, and the third, apply learning modalities in delivering content, and the four, interesting activities, and the five, the use of effective Socrates methods, and then the last, apply learning for yourself. And then what about what do teaching of hybrid? The learning strategy in the pandemic period that is often called is hybrid learning, and even though hybrid learning and blended learning have a difference in its implementation, what is hybrid learning? Hybrid learning is a learning model where a teacher teaches students who are studying from home and also studying at school together with the help of technology. In other words, a hybrid learning is a model or method of learning that combines face-to-face learning systems with online-based learning, and the proportion used is usually balanced, which is 50% of both. And then for the advantages possessed by hybrid learning are as follows. The first, students can make choice whether to follow online or luring learning, especially now that luring learning must be for permission from parents. And then second, students can feel variations in learning. The third, students who choose to learn online or students who are constrained cannot be present in the class I can still follow the presentation of the material or learning activities guided directly by the teacher at school. And the last, there are restrictions on physical activity and social interaction that are highly recommended to prevent extensive spread of COVID-19. And then this learning model also has several shortcomings, such as the following. The first, the teacher must ensure that the learning tools used can ensure the sustainability of the learning process in a balanced learning. And the second, required various equipment that can support the live streaming process so that the material obtained by students who choose online learning is still quality and meaningful. The third, the teacher is exhausted because basically it must be able to condition online learning and learning simultaneously, which of course requires more energy. And then the last, cost and funds that must be incurred by the school and students to be able to support the sustainability of learning activities is not small. And then next slide, why media matters. In the process of learning, a lot of constraints experienced during activities, so that the purpose of learning cannot be achieved of learning cannot be achieved optimally. In order for learning goals to be achieved properly, the teacher must overcome these constraints. One way with the use of learning media. Learning media can be used as a tool that functions to launch the course of teaching and learning activities so that the learning goals are achieved well. Each subject has a variety of difficulty rates. There are lesson materials that don't require tools, but here are very difficult learning materials so that it requires a tool because it has a high level of difficulty that is difficult to process and digest by students. Learning media as one of the learning resources will help teachers enrich students' insights. Various forms and types of learning media used by teachers are search of science for students. Media as a learning source is recognized as auditive visual tools. And then next, what kind of media can teacher use? There are so many types of learning media that you can use, especially in today's current technology role has entered various aspects, including the world of education. The learning media functioning among them is to attract students to the learning material presented. There are various simple learning media, namely, the first is audio media. Uh, Audio learning media serves to channel audio message from the source of the message to the recipient of the message. And then the second media is visual media. Visual learning media are media that only rely on senses of the type of visual learning media displays material using projection or projector. And then the third media is Serbaneka media. Solbuhana learning media is a media that is tailored to the potential in an area around the school or in other location or in communities that can be used as a medium of teaching. Example of various types of learning media include blackboards, three-dimensional media, reality, and learning resources in the community. And the fourth media is photography picture. Photographic image are obtained from several sources, for example, from newspaper, paintings, cartoons, illustrations, Photos obtained from various sources can be used by teachers effectively in teaching and learning activities with certain objectives. And the last media is map and globe. The next learning media is a map, and this globe serves to present location data like the surface, state, or earth, land, rivers, mountains, and place and directions and distance. Okay, I think enough. My present about excitement me. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.